And now the starting lineup for your defending champion, San Francisco Seagulls. Batting leadoff, number 4, your center fielder, Gabe Harris. Batting set, number 31, KG KO Good. Batting third, your designated hitter, number 42, Josh Alcantara. Batting fourth cleanup, your catcher, number 12, Dennis Hayes. Batting fifth, your right fielder, number 17, Joey Lee. Batting sixth, number 25, your first baseman, Liam Rizzo. Batting seventh, number 8, Ryan Bruno. Batting eighth, number 20, Jake Brewer. Batting ninth, number 28, your left fielder, Josh Hansen. And pitching for your San Francisco Seagulls, number 14, Brian Lewis. And your manager for your San Francisco Seagulls, the Godfather, Mark Gavilia. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and remove your caps as we honor America with tonight's performance of the national anthem by Wilbert Robles. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Let's play ball, go Seagulls!